Hello, class 5. My name is Miss Dua and today's topic is types of nouns. Okay, I'm going to be teaching you today about types of nouns. The topics that we're going to cover in this lesson are what are nouns, singular and plural, countable and uncountable and countable nouns. These are two different things. Okay, so let's begin. Nouns. What are nouns? Do you know? Have you heard the word before? If not, let me refresh your memory. Nouns. Nouns are the names of person, place, animal or thing. किसी भी person, place, animal या thing का नाम. Person मतलब इंसान, place मतलब जगह, animal मतलब जानवर and thing मतलब कोई भी non living चीज. उसका जो भी नाम होगा वो noun कहलाएगा. जैसे name of a person is Ali or Sarah. Name of a place is Pakistan. Name of an animal can be cat. And name of a thing can be book. Okay, these are just some examples. You can make up your own examples also. Now, what are singular and plural? Singular क्या होता है और plural क्या होता है? कभी ये word सुने? Do you know? What comes to mind when you hear the words singular and plural? The word singular comes from the word single. Single means one. Word singular जो है वो single से निकला है जिसका meaning होता है one. And plural means more than one or many. More than one वो two हो सकते हैं, three हो सकते हैं, 400, as many as you want, but they have to be more than one. Okay? So singular means one, plural means more than one. Now, countable and uncountable. Countable जब हम सुनते हैं word तो क्या mind में आता है, and uncountable सुनते हैं तो word क्या समझ में आता है हमें. So what is meant by countable and uncountable? Well, countable means that things that can be counted are known as countable. जो चीजें count हो सकती हैं. ठीक है, आपके सामने पेंसिल्स पड़ी हैं, आप उन पेंसिल्स को जो काउंट कर सकते हैं तो वो काउंटेबल हो जाएंगे. लेकिन अनकाउंटेबल वो चीजें होती हैं दैट कैन नॉट बी काउंटेड. आपके सर पे कितने बाल हैं आप काउंट नहीं कर सकते. बारिश हुई रिसेंटली तो उसमें बूंदे कितनी थी वो आप काउंट नहीं कर सकते. एक गिलास पानी में कितने ड्रॉप्स हैं, कितना पानी, मतलब यू कैन नॉट काउंट दैट. ओके, so these things are uncountable. Some things are countable, some things are uncountable. Okay, now what are uncountable and countable nouns? Well, countable nouns are those that point out something that can be counted. वही बात हो गई कि countable nouns कौन से nouns होते हैं? ऐसे nouns जो कि count हो सकते हो. ठीक है, they have both singular and plural forms. उनके singular forms भी हैं और plural forms भी हैं. Like cat, cats, woman, women, country, countries. Okay, in the singular they can be with a और an. Singular में हम उनको a या an के साथ articles के साथ represent कर सकते हैं. Most nouns fall into this category और most nouns countable category के अंदर पाए जाते हैं. And then on the other hand we have uncountable nouns. So uncountable nouns are substances or concepts that we cannot divide into separate elements. ऐसे concepts या ऐसी substances जो कि हम उनको divide ना कर सकें, उनको अलग ना कर सकें. अलग करें भी तो कैसे? sand है बीच पे, बीच की sand को आप कितना अलग करेंगे? वो और grains छोटे छोटे होते जाएंगे. ठीक है, सो वो सेपरेट नहीं हो सकते, वो अलग नहीं हो सकते. ऐसी चीजें होती हैं अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. They cannot be counted. Obviously, they cannot be counted. Like rain. Rain cannot be counted. Measure हो सकती है, count नहीं हो सकती कि कितनी बूंदें गिरी थी. बट कितने मिलीलीटर्स रेन हुई वो हम पता कर सकते हैं. फ्लावर कितना है, एक टेबल स्पून में कितने ग्रेन्स फ्लावर के हैं वो हमें नहीं पता. अर्थ का हमें नहीं पता कि अर्थ हमें पता है कितनी बड़ी है, लेकिन हम उनको नंबर्स में नहीं ला सकते. हेयर, वुड, these are all things that cannot be counted or separated. Okay, This is a type of noun that cannot be predicted. ऐसे type है जो कि predict नहीं कर सकते, जो हम पहले से पता नहीं कर सकते कि क्या चीज है. So I have a task for you. I've given you a piece of sheet of paper and I've divided all of you into 4 groups. Okay, so I want you to write a few sentences that contain both countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, and after the class, we will read those sentences out loud. Okay, so I'm going to give you some time and you can do that. Now let's recall. We refreshed about the definition of nouns. We learned that nouns have different parts like uncountable and countable nouns. And we also discussed the examples of countable and uncountable nouns. As countable nouns की examples क्या थी? Cat, cats, woman, women, country, countries. And uncountable noun की क्या थी? हमने बहुत सारी पढ़ी. Rain, flower, wood, the hair. Okay. These are all examples of uncountable noun. Now I've also handed you a worksheet. So first I want you to write down your name, class, today's date, subject, English, obviously. And you have to underline the countable nouns in these sentences that are given below and circle the uncountable nouns, okay? And I've also given you 2 columns separately to list down each uncountable and countable nouns that you find in these sentences. I'll read you the sentences out loud and you can solve the worksheet on your own. There are 20 restaurants in the city. Maria took 26 photographs when she went to Lahore. The book is on the kitchen table. The children fell asleep quickly after a busy day of work. There are 5 trucks and police cars on the road. We like large bottles of mineral water. My mother uses real butter in the cakes she bakes. Most kids like milk, but Javeria hates it. I was feeling so stressed that I ate an entire box of cookies. I need some information about France. Now remember, the nouns, you have to keep a good look out for the nouns and then you have to identify whether they are countable or uncountable. Okay? So this was today's class. I will see you on the next class, hopefully. Inshallah. Goodbye.